Hello everybody, this is Dr. Shivakant Pathak here with you to see a topic Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So see here what is a Zener diode and how it works to regulate the voltage. Zener diode is, see in the box, highly doped PN junction diode, and it's always connect in reverse bias to regulate the voltage. So two terms is here, highly doped PN junction diode in which P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor, and both P-type and N-type is highly doped and connected in a circuit in a reverse biasing. Its symbol is same like as normal junction, P type, then N type. Since it regulates the voltage, so it is represented in this way in the circuit. This is the symbol of Zener diode. Clear? Now understand the mean of a regulator. What is the mean of a regulator here? So to understand the regulation means, see this is example. If we have a certain variable voltage, the voltage is like this, one is this, another potential difference is this, next one is this potential difference, another is it. These are the potential difference, unequal potential difference is available. If you want to convert in form of a device like this, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called regulated voltage. Get voltage. Regulated voltage means what? A constant voltage. Zener diode is used for this purpose. Zener diode is used for this purpose to regulate the voltage. Now to regulate the voltage, what is required here? To cut this portion and to convert in this form. So cutting up these is called a regulation. So regulation stand for this. The concept of regulation can also understand by here one more example. This example helps a lot to understand the funda. Consider here is a capillary tube. Right? Here in capillary tube, see this capillary tube is here connected with here one more device here in it, and it is again also connected with this . See very carefully the means of this. This is a capillary tube. If you want to keep the level of fluid in this capillary tube up to here fixed, so what is required to keep here in this? This is suppose a system, inlet system through which we open and fluid is filled in it. This whole fluid is filled here in it by this way, right? And if we do not allow to go the level of fluid above it, then what is required to do? And this fluid is continuously entering by this way. So what is required to this? It is confined in this area. If any fluid level up to here, then the level of fluid will be here only. When this level will increase gradually, the level will also increase. And see, when it's reached a level here, the level of fluid also reach here. Right? There is a continuous flow of fluid inside this communication system. But again, when it's reach here, the extra wire, this is from a reservoir of a fluid, is flowed by this way. Whatever extra water, extra fluid, suppose this fluid is water, extra, it leakages from here. It leaks and maintain the level of fluid here. Right? So whatever extra fluid is comes here, if a continuous supply of this here, then extra comes down and level maintains. It is in case of Zener diode also. Whatever extra is leaked and make a constant voltage. Zener diode is used for that. This is extra water. How it works? See here. To understand this working of it very carefully. See here. A Zener diode is connected in reverse bias. This is the input. It is input resistance and it is load resistance here in this case. Zener diode works in reverse bias. See how it's work. To understand this, it works how it works like this water communication system, fluid communication system, or it is. So to see this, let us see with great patience to understand the concept. To understand this concept, see here, diode characteristic in a reverse bias. Current in a positive direction, current in negative direction, voltage in a negative direction, minus. If you ever remember, on increasing this, it increases up to a certain value, and after that sharp growth in a current, no increase in a value. This is called, we are knowing, this voltage is called breakdown voltage. Voltage where junctions break, the avalanche break. This is junction breakdown are called Zener voltage also. Right? See here, when it is connected in a circuit, it can be understood by taking a example here. This example, this equation here. This is E is equal to EMF is equal to potential difference plus I into internal resistance. With help of this equation, see how I am explaining the all three. This is applied voltage. E is here. Input voltage. Here is output voltage. V is here. This is the current I is flowing, and input resistance is this internal resistance of a system. Right? How it's regulate? See, when we increase the voltage, current increases. After that, it remains almost zero. Then it is certain increasing, and certain voltage, it sharply increases. We increase the reverse bias voltage, but current increases, no output voltage increase. So here voltage regulates. How this voltage regulates? Suppose this breakdown voltage is say 10 volt. So here up to here, let the 0 is deflection is given. So we may represent it is, this is 10 is equal to 10 plus 0. Let internal resistance is 1. This is 1 plus 1. It is equal to 10 volt. If you are providing its 12 volt battery here, so what is does made it? The Zener voltage remains same 10 breakdown voltage, but it converts 2 ampere current in it from 2 ampere current. It's converted into current and flowed in a circuit. This potential difference utilized in a circuit. 2 into 1. It is, this is a V, so this implies that let us see very carefully to understand it. This is applied voltage is this, so 10 plus 2. So it's become 10. Now if you apply 15 volt here, it is 10 plus 5 into 1. If you apply 20 volt, this is 10 plus 10 into 1 ohm resistance. So see, this output voltage remains the same 10. What is increases? Current. It increases the current, see here. Increases the current, but voltage remains same. So it's a regulator voltage. Regulator voltage in this way, regulate water, extra water falls down. Here, extra voltage flow in input circuit due to this input resistance utilized, and the constant voltage is emitted by this. It is same like it. Unequal voltage regulated, and it is done by this Zener diode using reverse bias is the reverse characteristic of that, right? Actually, the Zener diode in a circuit behaves as a gate. Remember, door, which allow to pass a certain voltage, only fixed voltage. We can use this Zener gate in rectifier also, where the output voltage in the form of AC jumping form, it can regulate in form of a constant voltage. See, this Zener circuit is connected in a TV before the TV set, computer set. So it gives constant voltage to our home appliances, electronic appliances like TV and computer, constant voltage. And it can be seen when there is a voltage fluctuation at my home. My tube light is moves up and down, but TV runs smoothly. Why? Because bulb is not connected with the Zener circuit, but TV or computer is connected to Zener circuit. Due to this Zener circuit, it pass only a constant voltage. The supply is constant to the electronic devices. But one thing is important in both of the example. If you want to continue constant level of fluid here, so level must be here higher than this, the inlet. The pressure must be more here. Same like as here. Here voltage, input voltage E must be greater than this. In that condition, this gates work, otherwise not. So this is all about Zener diode. Thank you and have a nice day to all.